Hello, I'm Gareth Lewis, Cabinet Member for Education, Culture and the Welsh Language at Merthyr Tydfil County Borough Council. I've had the privilege of serving as a councillor for 13 years and I'm proud to be one of the ward members for Plymouth Ward, which covers Troedrew, Pendrabach and Abercanid, communities I know well and care deeply about. I currently live in Abercanid, where I've spent most of my life, and it's a real honour to represent the area I call home. Education has always been close to my heart, not just in my role on Cabinet, but personally too. I'm the Chair of Governors at Abercanid Community School and Avontaff High School, schools that I myself attended. So it's really rewarding that I now support them from a leadership perspective and help shape the next generation's learning. My portfolio is wide-ranging and exciting. It covers education from nursery to age 16, school improvement, additional learning needs, and well-being. It also includes culture, heritage, and the promotion of the Welsh language, all vital parts of our community's identity and future. We're committed to making sure every learner is supported to reach their best, regardless of their background or circumstances. We're working with schools and partners to drive improvement, reduce the impact of poverty on attainment, and ensure that young people's voices are heard. A major priority for us is delivering on our Raising Aspirations, Raising Standards RAS strategy, our long-term commitment to improving educational outcomes across the borough. RAS focuses on 4 key areas: investing in teaching and leadership, improving learner well-being, closing the attainment gap, and strengthening engagement with families and community. It's about more than raising standards. It's about raising ambition and opportunity for every child and young person in Merthyr Tydfil. Cultural development is another passion of mine. We're proud to support local events, arts programmes and heritage projects that bring people together, support well-being and celebrate everything that makes Merthyr special. Over the years, I've seen firsthand how decisions made locally can have a real impact. That's why I wanted to become a councillor, to help shape those decisions, champion our young people, and work for a better future for our communities. And that's why the work within my portfolio is aimed at making a lasting and meaningful difference for the learners, families, and residents who live here. Diolch yn fawr.